It is a Tuesday in March. The sky is clear and the sun is already bright. Mike is on his way to work. He is wearing a thick, dark blue sweater. He didn't check the weather this morning. He just put on his sweater and left. Mike arrives at the office at 9 o'clock. The office is on the 14th floor of a large building. The building's heating is still on from winter. The room feels warm and stuffy. Mike sits down at his desk and opens his laptop. He is already too warm. He pulls at the collar of his sweater. It doesn't help. He cannot take off the sweater. He has nothing on underneath. Tom works at the desk next to Mike. He is wearing a short sleeved shirt. Tom checked the weather forecast before he left home. He knew it was going to be warm. He dressed for the warm weather. He also brought something useful with him. Tom noticed that Mike looked uncomfortable. He opened his bag. Inside his bag was a small desk fan. Tom brought it from home. Tom plugged in the fan and put it on the edge of his desk, facing Mike. He turned it on. Cool air began to move across the desk toward Mike. Mike felt the cool air right away. He sat back in his chair and took a slow breath. He looked at Tom and smiled. Tom smiled back and turned to his own work. The small fan hummed quietly. Mike turned back to his laptop and started his work. The morning passed slowly. The fan kept the air moving. In the afternoon, the air outside began to cool. The temperature inside the office dropped a little too. By 5 o'clock, the room felt more comfortable. Mike was glad the day was almost over. He shut down his laptop and picked up his bag. He stood up and stretched. Outside the building, the air was cool and fresh. It was much cooler than in the morning. Mike pulled his sweater a little closer. It felt good now. He thought about Tom and his little fan. It had been a good day after all.